In toy stores and electronic depots like Fry's, Best Buy, we've all seen flying miniature airplanes where people could fly by remote control. Those are pretty cool. You can fly mini gliders, airplanes, helicopters even, and we've seen a lot of those. We reviewed those on our full website. But today, here on YouTube and as well as on osandvtxreviews.com, it's a more special unboxing. This is called the Space Unit. What's special about this is not exactly an airplane anymore. It's a glider. It's still remote controlled, and but you can really control precisely the elevation of the flying disc or the airplane itself. It's like a round disc. It hovers up and down. It's like a mini hover jet. You can control the direction, the elevation. It's really refined movement. It might not look as cool, but it kind of looks like a UFO. So some people might like it. Some people might not like it because it doesn't look like a model airplane, but it's still cool technology. It's more refined, kind of like a next generation type of air flight technology. It's rechargeable on a home base, and we're just going to unbox the box. This is a pretty generic. This is called the Space Unit, just in general. Find this online definitely. I'm not sure in stores for this type of stuff, and there's a remote and stuff. So we'll just show you what's in the box. It's probably been opened. Can I do this one-handed? No, I cannot. Keep on sliding it until it comes loose. So more details, it's remote controlled, it's powered on batteries, on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, so you will have to definitely recharge it after it runs out. Now a problem with these type of these jets in general, from what I've seen, from my experience, is that battery life is okay, but it only lasts around 30 minutes of flight, so it'll be interesting to see if the glider with more control, if the battery life is going to be longer or if it's going to be shorter. So that's that. So the box is styrofoam. It's actually very large for this type of airplane, surprisingly big. So I'm not sure if this is the retail packaging, but just take a look. This is the hover mat itself. It's really lightweight. As you can see, it's made entirely out of styrofoam. This is the same material that we see on all these remote-controlled airplanes. There's a very simple just jet. I guess it just circles, and then the blade just propels it up and down and left and right. So that's going to be interesting to take a look at. And the on-off button, then this is the charger jack. You charge it on this end, and then the battery is probably inside the base, and then it powers the glider to go up and down. It's a pretty lightweight device, as you might expect. So still pretty fragile, but this should probably pad the landing a little bit. We have a remote control extender just for the remote to have the better reception. We have on the sides, probably the base parts. We'll probably see that in a sec. And we have 4 of those. We'll see what that is. Or 3, sorry. On the side, a US adapter to charge it. Now I can get that out. It's too tight. And of course, the gun itself. This looks interesting. So I guess this might be the remote. Yes, and we can go up and down, up and down. It controls the elevation, maybe not left and right. I'll check back on that, but there's definitely an on-off, definitely the remote control on that. Pretty interesting shape, definitely. We have the instructions. It's just a Space Unit and instruction manual. Whatever. We've also got the base, which is probably to charge it, and I want to get this out just to see what it is. And that's it. Or is it? No, it's not. That is not it. There's also batteries, I guess. And now that is it. So, this is the base itself. It just says Space Unit, and I think the clips, if I'm not mistaken now, is kind of like a UFO dock where we stick it on the back, and then the whole entire base can be propelled off the ground like so, and then when we charge it, it just sits on here, and the charger cable goes on the side, and we plug it into the top, and it charges, and then this is the battery probably for the base to charge, and then we can just control the airplane movement. It's going to be interesting to take a look at. It's like a hover jet Space Unit. Thanks for watching an unboxing here at OS and VTXReviews.com.